Hi, guys. This is another session in the series of Stay at Home, Be a Hero. We will try to help you go through this coronavirus lockdown so that you can break the chain and make sure that we all come out safe during this period of time. If you like this video, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. You can leave your comments, feedback regarding this video and any other video on our channel, and we will get back to you as soon as possible. If you would like, please do subscribe to our courses as well. The link is available in the description. Let's get on with it. Hi, this is a question which came up in CAT 2016. It's a replica of that particular question. I would suggest that if you have not solved this question earlier on your own, please have a look at the PDF which will be available in the description of this particular video. Try that on your own. The answer key will be given. Once you have tried it on your own, proceed with the rest of the session. Okay, let's see what this question says. Bank has built a software to identify potential defaulters of a loan. The study of loans given last year was conducted using this software. It was found that the software correctly identified 80% of those who eventually defaulted on their dues. However, the software also incorrectly classified 20% of the regular payers of the loans as defaulters. Okay, last year, a quarter of the borrowers of the bank eventually defaulted on their due payments of the loan. The bank expects the same level of defaults among loan applicants this year as well. This year, bank has received 1 lakh applications of 10 lakh each. In order to minimize the loss on account of defaults, the bank decides to offer loans only to those applicants who are not identified by the software as potential defaulters. Assume that on average, only 50% of the loan amount is retrieved from those who default on the due payments of the loan. Okay, and then you have questions: how many loans are expected to be approved, how many defaults are there. This is direct questions, and then for 3 and 4 you have some additional information to solve this. Okay, so let's quickly go through what this actually says. So according to the bank, it has built a software which can identify 80% of those who eventually defaulted. Okay, so let's take a number. Suppose a bank gets 1,000 people applications, right? Some of them will be bad, some of them will be good. So these good people will actually repay their loans on time, they will not default. These bad people will default on their loans. What is the expected ones? Last year, a quarter of the borrowers eventually defaulted. So out of 1,000 people, 250 people will default and 750 people will be good. This will be your without any software. So bank will approve these 1,000 loans. 750 people will be good. 250 will be bad. These people will default. These people will pay the money. Now with the software, let's see what happens. With the software correctly identified 80% of those who eventually defaulted. So out of these 250, it will be able to filter out 200 people. 80% will be filtered out. So only 50 people will pass through and their applications will be approved by the bank. Only these 50 people will now default on the loans. Further, the software also incorrectly classified 20% of the regular payers as defaulters. What it will also do is, it will also remove 20% here. 20% is 1/5. 150 people will be removed from here. So only 600 people will get their loans approved. So initially, out of 1,000 approvals, 750 will be good, 250 will be bad. But with the software, out of 1,000, only 600 plus 50, 650 people will be approved. Out of which 600 will be good and 50 will be bad, right? This is the criteria. And now you have to extend it to 1 lakh applications. Each application is worth 10 lakh each. And then you have 50% of the loan is retrieved and so on. We'll use it for the rest of the questions as and when we get there. Okay. Nothing much to do on this. Let's go to the questions and try to solve them. Okay, so I've written this down for 1,000 applications. This is without the software. This is with the software. Obviously, the bank has said that it is going to use the software, right? Okay. Question number 1, how many loans are expected to be approved by the bank? Now, the bank is going to get 1 lakh applications. right? It's going to get 1 lakh applications, out of which, out of every 1,000 applications, 650 are approved. So out of 1 lakh, which is 100,000, it will be 650 into 100, which is 65,000 applications are going to be 65,000 loans are expected to be approved by the bank. Okay. Question number 2, how many defaults does the bank expect this year? Right. Now, the bank knows that out of 1,000 applications, eventually 250 were supposed to default, but it can prevent 200 of these defaulters. So out of 1,000 applications, only 50 will be defaulting. Only 50 will be defaulting. So out of 100,000 applications, it will be 50 into 100. That's 5,000 defaults are what it expects. So bank expects 5,000 loans to be defaulting. Okay, question number 3. If the bank receives income of 20% of the loans repaid, how much total income can the bank expect this year? Assume that the bank has no other income other than loans. Now, this is where you need to look at the lakhs and this. Now, you need to enter the value in rupees crores. Now, a crore is 10 to the power 7. A lakh is 10 to the power 5. Right? So, we need to be clear about the units as such. Okay. So, what do we have? Out of 1,000 out of every 1,000, 650 will be approved. Now, out of 650, 600 will be good customers. So, out of 65,000 applications, 60,000 will be good customers and 5,000 will be bad customers, defaulters. Right? So, you will see the profit from these 60,000 and subtract the loss from these 50,000 people. Okay. So, let's see what will be the profit. Out of these 60,000 people, right, each of them gets a 10 lakh rupee loan, right, into 10. 10 into 10 lakhs. 10 into 1 lakh, right? So, 10 to the power 5, right? What is the earning? Earning is 20%, so 1/5. This will be the profit from these. This will be the profit from these 60,000 customers. So this is 2. So I'll take, I need it in crores. So I'll take out these 2 zeros and these 5 zeros. So my answer will be in crores now. Right. So 600 into 2. So 1,200 crores is your income from these. 1,200 crores is your income from good customers. Now what will be the loss from the bad customers? Out of 5,000 people, you'll again give them 10 lakh rupee loan. So 10 to the power 5 into 10. That will be the loan given. Right. But they are going to pay only 50% of the loan amount. So forget about profit. You're going to lose 50% of the money out there. Right. So half of the amount is actually going to be lost because you're not going to be able to recover from that. So this principle itself is gone. So this is 5. Again, we'll do the same calculation. So take out 7 zeros from here. You're calculating in crores. This is 50 into 5. 250 crores is your loss from here. So 1,200 crores profit, 250 crores loss. Overall, 950 crores of net profit is expected for the bank. 950 crores will be your correct answer. And the last one, this uses information from the previous one. Okay. The risk division has developed a new version that claims to identify 90% of the potential defaulters. Okay. So instead of 80%, you are able to clear 90%. However, the new version will incorrectly classify 25% of the regular payers of loans as defaulters. Assuming it will take 10 crores to deploy the new version, all the other conditions remain the same. Which of the following versions will be true? There will be greater number of loans approved with the newer software, and the newer version is expected to deliver greater profits than the older version. Okay. Now, I know from the older software, 950 crores is the expected profit. Right? We need to do 2 things. One is to figure out how many approvals are going to be there and what will be the net profit, even accounting for 10 crores of the cost which is take to deploy the software. Okay, and your options are 1 is true, 2 is false, 2 is true, 1 is false. Both of them are true, both of them are false. Okay, now we know from previous questions that 65,000 was the approval based on the old software. So for the new software, let's see what the approval is going to be. Now, out of the 1,000, for every 1,000 applications, right, 250 were defaulters, right? Now it is going to identify 90%. So it will remove 225. So only 25 will get approval, right? Out of the good customers, now it's going to remove 25% over there. 25%. 1/4 is there. So okay, let me add one more zero so that the number doesn't look bad. Okay, so 7,500. Half of them will be 3,750. Half of them will be 1,875. 1,875 will be gone. So balance will be 2,574. 5625 plus 250 will be 5,875. If you add one more zero, which is 1 lakh applications, you'll have one more zero here as well, 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 here as well. Right. So 58,750 applications are going to be approved this year. Right. Last year it was, I mean, with the original software, it is going to be 65,000. So 58,750 is going to be done. So the newer loans, newer version will obviously not have greater number of applications. So first statement is false. So option A is out, option C is out. Now let's check the second statement. Second statement says the newer version is expected to deliver greater profits than the older version. Now, older version has 950 crores of profit. Let's see what the newer version is going to deliver. Right. Out of this 56,250, again, you're going to get 20% of 10 lakhs each. Okay. So it is 5,6,250, 10 lakhs. So 10 to the power 6, 20% will be 20% will be 1 by 5. So it will be 10 to the power 5 into 2. Right? This is going to be a profit from the people who are going to pay. 56,250. So into 2. So 56 into 2. You can use a calculator if you want. It's 1125. This is going to be 1125. This will become 70 crores. 1125 crores. That's going to be your income from the people who are going to pay. 1125 crores. Now, for the people who are going to default, 2,500 people are going to default. Right. What is going to be the loss? 2,500 into half of 10 lakh rupees. 10 into 10 to the power 5. So these many crores. That's 5. 5 into 25. 625 crores is, 125 crores is going to be a loss. So you're going to make 1,000 crores of profit. Right. From this, you have to subtract 10 crores for deployment of the software. So that's 990 crores. Right. So the new software, even after the deployment cost, is going to cost you 990 crores. Going to give you a profit of 990 crores. The old software gave you 950 crores. Obviously, the newer software gives you better profit. So second statement is true. First is false. Second is true. Option B will be your correct choice. It's a wonderful question. You need to be very clear about your percentages, probability, expected value. It combines all those into one single unifying question. In an exam situation, it can be extremely painful. You can miss out on a couple of things. People found it extremely difficult in an exam situation. But if you do it on a calm basis, it's not a very difficult question. Especially the last one is the only one which requires a lot of calculation. You have a calculator available with you. We did not use a calculator. That took us a longer time. But even with a calculator, with proper understanding of what the questions etc is, it's going to take you 12 to 13 minutes to solve this in an exam situation. Moderate to difficult, I mean, you're more likely to classify it in a difficult uh, category in an exam situation. That completes this particular session on Break the Chain. If you liked it, please do share it with your friends who are preparing for CAT and other MBA entrance examinations. Please do subscribe to this channel. Leave a comment on how you felt this video was. If you want, and if you have any suggestions on any other videos which we need to do during this period, please do let us know. If you would like to, do look at our courses. The link is available in the description. Till we meet again the next time, goodbye and stay safe.